Let's see what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the backhoe. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Dents? Let's level them out. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Magnificent! Use a hammer to level out the dents. You're so smart! That's great! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. You're so smart! Awesome! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. That's it! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. To open the cover plate, rotate the switches and turn on the lights. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place. Green. Blue. Red. Yellow. Violet. Great job! The wheel is broken. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super! That's great! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super! That's it! Put the patches in the silhouette. Cross. Super duper! Arrow. Trefoil. Square. Ellipse. Magnificent! Connect the pump to the wheel. Magnificent! Pump it! Pump it! Keep going! That's it! All done! Now help to assemble Backhoe! All done! Let's improve the car! We need to get to the construction site.